In this tutorial I will show you how to fix iPhone Bluetooth not working. Having trouble connecting your iPhone to a Bluetooth device? Here's a step-by-step guide to help you fix the issue. Open Settings on your iPhone and go to Bluetooth. Toggle Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on. Try restarting the Bluetooth device you're trying to connect to. This often helps re-establish the connection. If you're still having trouble and had previously connected to the device, look for it under My Devices. Tap the icon next to it and choose Forget this device. Put the Bluetooth device back into pairing mode, turn Bluetooth off and on again on your iPhone, and try to reconnect. Still not working? Try a force restart on your iPhone. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo appears. Once your iPhone restarts, try connecting to the Bluetooth device again. This should resolve the issue. Let me know if you need help with a specific Bluetooth device.